Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your footage and device support HDR. This matters because Capcut can only preserve HDR if the source and display allow it. First, import a 10-bit or HDR10 file into a new project and set the project resolution and frame rate to match the clip exactly. Once done, make sure your Capcut app is updated and your phone or monitor's HDR mode is turned on. This prevents tonal clipping later and keeps highlights intact. Now enable HDR processing inside the project settings. Look for HDR, wide color, or similar. Turning this on tells Capcut to keep extended luminance. Next, you'll color grade. Apply curves or an HDR-aware LUT and adjust exposure, highlights, and shadows slowly so you preserve detail in bright areas. Make small tweaks because aggressive moves cause clipping. Also, preview on an HDR-capable display while grading. This shows true contrast and prevents surprises when exporting. To finish, export using 10-bit or HDR10 settings, maintaining the original resolution and bitrate. This preserves the expanded dynamic range. Once exported, test playback on an HDR-capable screen or upload to a platform that supports HDR to verify colors and highlights. If the result looks flat or washed out, troubleshoot by rechecking the project's HDR toggle, ensuring the color profile matches the source, and confirming your playback device is set to HDR. Often the issue is a mismatch between profiles or a disabled HDR display mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.